Hi, Alvin here, and thanks for tuning in to episode 10 of the 3-Minute Health Tip. Now, in this episode, we're going to discuss headaches and what you can do about it. But before we get to headaches, I just want to recap what we've learned in the previous videos about this new health perspective known as G&M and the 5 biological laws. Now, we learned that the majority of the symptoms that we all experience actually originate from an unexpected conflict shock, an unexpected circumstance or event that we deem as dangerous and potentially emotionally distressing. The moment we have these conflict shocks, it creates an impact on the brain that's measurable in a CT scan, and wherever that impact goes, it will initiate a biological program that creates physiological changes in an organ controlled from that area of the brain, and hence leading to the things we experience as symptoms. Now, we also learned that there's 2 phases to these biological programs, providing that there's a resolution to the conflict. The first phase actually occurs the moment we have that unexpected conflict shock. The moment you get that criticism, that email, that text message, the moment we have that conflict shock, we enter into the conflict active phase. However, most of the time we don't have a lot of symptoms during that phase. It's only when the conflict is resolved and we relax emotionally that we now enter into the second phase, which is the healing phase. And just like anything in the body that's healing, fluid will go to the area or that organ or body part that's healing in order to protect it. However, that extra fluid will lead to inflammation, swelling, and pain. But not only does that fluid go into the area that's healing at the organ level, fluid will also go to the part of the brain that had the original impact, hence leading to our headaches. So there you have it, my friends. The headaches that you and I experience are actually symptoms that take place in the healing phase. And so what do we do about it? Just like any swelling that you've had to deal with in the past, you use a thing called ice. So if you don't have an ice pack in your refrigerator or freezer right now, I encourage you after this video to go to your local store and buy a cold gel pack or an ice pack. And what you need to do is freeze it. And the next time that you have a headache, you wrap this in a paper towel and you place it over the part of your head where you feel that pressure, or generally over your head. And that ice pack on the head will help reduce some of the pressure or that intensity by reducing the fluid buildup in that part of the brain. Now, while you're sitting there with the ice pack on your head, I encourage you to also confirm what biological program you are running. What is it that you resolved? What is it that was a conflict for you a few days ago that now that you have that headache, you're no longer worrying about? And your ability to identify that conflict and confirm that it's closed will help to minimize the duration of your headaches and decrease the intensity of the symptoms. So there you have it. I hope that health tip is valuable. Go out and get your ice pack right now. I look forward to bringing you more value in the next episode. Thanks.